strongly believe that it's not just about decentralizing the compute, although I believe that's actually incredibly important. And I believe providing like liquid ways of routing for various types of compute, like quickly on demand with frictionless payments, is incredibly important. But also simplifying for the user, because right now everyone's stuck in prompt land where everyone is becoming an amazing prompt engineer. And our key insight is from the gaming industry. People like buttons. People like clickable icons. People like to mix and match. They like to be able to create content the fun way. And so we're building a product for that, powered by agents and powered by, well, several of the networks that we're talking to in this chat today, including the ability to decompose payments when people send them to us with X402 rails. So I'm just hyped to be here. I'm looking forward to listening to what everyone's working on and then how we can continue to push the space forward.
Awesome. Thank you. Eric.
Hey, yeah. So I'm Eric Breivik. I'm originally a neuroscientist and psychoneuropharmacologist. I have been in AI for about 35 years and tech about the same amount of time. Helped build a lot of the core original internet out, and then got into decentralization. Fast forward through a ton of AI stuff. Got into decentralization about January 2010, and said, "Yay, we're finally here. We're finally starting the journey to having some new tech around distributing AI workloads." So been working in that space ever since, just trying to bring together AI and decentralization. AI and decentralized tech. Focus is really on AI, and at Manifest, we really are trying to build the sovereign cloud infrastructure. Essentially, you've got sovereign hardware at the bottom layer, sovereign cloud in the middle layer, and then that's what gets you to sovereign AI. And then, of course, looking forward just a little bit, as narrow models exceed human capability, which many already have, you get kind of the beginnings of what will become an AGI there as you knit everything together. I won't go through the technicals of that, but if you do that all, the core idea here is if you do that all centralized, you've got some incentivization problems there that could be worked through but are difficult. If you do that decentralized, you get a better shot at setting up incentives to be, for example, pro-human, et cetera, et cetera. So that's really the goal that we're working for. We see AGIs of various types emerging over the coming decade, and we'd like a lot of those to work for humans rather than for, say, maximizing attention or something like that. So that's our core mission.
Nice. And last but not least, I actually just was talking to Trevor on the phone, a great human being. But Trevor, who are you and what do you do?
Hey, thanks. I hope everyone knows me at this point, but for those of you who don't, I'm Trevor. I'm on the board of the Render Network Foundation, and I'm also COO at Otoy, the largest contributor to the network today. My background is actually building and scaling large SaaS web systems. So everything about prompts being insufficient really resonates with me. I love great consumer interfaces. And for me, what's been so exciting about this next phase that we're moving into here is as it bridges from just AI into agentic, I'm starting to see some phenomenal things that can be done now in terms of interfaces that I think unlock consumer usage in a way that just was not possible when we started this project. So it's staggering to watch it change day to day here.
Thanks. Sonny, and for the last people that don't know who you are, who are you?
Hey guys, so yeah, my name is Sonny. I am also from the Render Network Foundation. I take care of our grants program, and I also assist in social engagement. So hosting things like this, getting to chat to some of these elite people. It's like the Avengers of AI have assembled here. Just coining what Edward was saying there about assembling. Yeah, so it's amazing to take part in this and co-host this space with you, Taco.